First, I just want to welcome you or say thank you for your interest in AI Camp's eight-part series on deep learning, or more specifically, deep learning with design patterns. I'm your instructor for the course. I'm not going to go over, what the course is about. You have the syllabus to view that. I'm going to tell you a little bit more about myself and why I think you'd benefit from taking this course. So currently I work at Google. I am a staff member of Google Cloud AI Developer Relations. That means I'm external facing. Okay. And I specialize in not just deep learning, but interacting and teaching and educating people about deep learning. I do it sometimes communities. I sometimes do it as at universities as adjunct professors, other times as training courses like this, and other times just with production staff at some of Google's large enterprise clients. As far as a background prior to this, I was a research scientist for 20 years in Japanese IT. My area of specialty was imaging, which was very closely related to today what we do with convolutional neural networks for computer vision. It was easy for me to sort of make that transition. I also have 115 US issued patents, almost all of them involving the imaging science. Going way early back, I have a graduate degree, 1987, in artificial intelligence of all things. Okay. Um, but other things I think are beyond my background, having been already very early in AI, already been a principal research scientist for 20 years, and today working for Google Cloud AI. I think another thing that I really bring to the table is I've also been an educator throughout my career. And it's not just in the United States. I have worked all over the world, obviously in Japan, in India, in Philippines, Kenya, and so forth. And I've learned a lot about the different styles of education. And I've been able to sort of that Eastern, Western, and merge them together. And I do what I call is abstraction. I make my students learn the basic underlying core concepts and how to abstract them. And I find with that, they're able to go and sort of that last mile on their own and be able to use these technologies. Now, I've done a lot of these courses. I continuously get feedback. And the feedback typically I hear is best course I've ever taken. I've taken lots of courses and never quite got it. I took your course and bang, I got it. It's really my teaching style. It's kind of unique. It's not really a Western style, but it fits and it works. So I just want to say for those who have signed up, welcome on board. And for those thinking about it, I would highly encourage you. I think this set of series here is probably the best value for your dollar you will ever get in a deep learning training course. Thank you.